You say it. Can you read it? Where are you? Camel. Can you read it? Sure. Hey, I can't see. Can you read the book? I can't see it. Put it down.
No.
Oh. Thank you. Can you say the book? Can you read the book? Don't rip it.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Camel. The big man.